The rise of the Rwanda Stock Exchange, a game changer for Rwanda's economy. Hello and welcome to this channel. It's my goal to make you smarter about Africa by telling you the untold stories that move our continent forward. If you like this goal, please subscribe now. Rwanda is one of those African countries with a well-known commitment to innovation and technology. The country has set its eyes on becoming a regional technology hub, an ambition it hopes to achieve in the next few years. And while Rwanda's government has made significant strides toward actualizing this dream, one sector has been particularly critical to the country's success. That sector is financial services. And in today's episode, we look at how the Rwanda Stock Exchange is positioning the country to become the next frontier for economic expansion. But before we continue, if you haven't subscribed yet, do so and join the growing family of people who love to know more about Africa. The story of Rwanda's emergence as a potential financial services hub is deeply rooted in the vision of its leaders and the reforms they introduced since the country's tragic genocide in the 1990s. In the aftermath of the genocide, Rwanda found itself in ruins. Its economy was shattered, and its people were in desperate need of hope. It was during this dark period that visionary leaders in Rwanda realized the importance of building a strong financial sector that could support the country's reconstruction and drive its long-term growth. In 2011, Rwanda made a significant stride toward this goal when it established the Rwanda Stock Exchange, the first of its kind in the East African community. This move was a pivotal moment for Rwanda, marking the beginning of a journey that would transform its financial landscape. With the establishment of the stock exchange, Rwandan companies now had access to a platform where they could raise capital from investors, both local and international. This newfound ability to access funds would prove crucial for businesses looking to expand, innovate, and contribute to the country's economic recovery. However, like any new financial market, the Rwanda Stock Exchange started small. The first company to be listed on the exchange was the Bank of Kigali, one of the leading banks in Rwanda. Following this, several other companies from various sectors such as insurance, breweries, and cement manufacturing joined the stock exchange, each playing a part in building the foundation of Rwanda's capital market. Over the years, the Rwanda Stock Exchange has witnessed steady growth. More companies have listed their shares, more investors have participated, and the overall value of the market has increased. Today, the exchange stands as a symbol of Rwanda's economic resilience and its potential for growth. So what makes the Rwanda Stock Exchange so special, and why does it hold the key to unlocking Rwanda's economic growth? One of the main advantages of a stock exchange is its ability to mobilize savings and channel them into productive investments. By providing a platform for companies to raise capital, the Rwanda Stock Exchange allows individuals to invest their money in the growth and development of the country. This in turn can lead to increased productivity, innovation, and job creation. Another key benefit of the Rwanda Stock Exchange is its potential to attract foreign investment. When companies list their shares on the exchange, they become more transparent and accountable to investors. This increased transparency can make Rwandan companies more attractive to foreign investors looking for promising opportunities. Additionally, the stock exchange helps to mitigate risks for investors as it provides a regulated and supervised environment for trading securities. Despite these advantages, the Rwanda Stock Exchange faces challenges. One of the main obstacles is the relatively small size of the market. As of 2021, the total market capitalization of the Rwanda Stock Exchange was just over $1 billion, which is relatively low compared to other exchanges in the region. However, this should not be seen as a setback, as the exchange is still in its early stages of development. To further unlock the potential of the Rwanda Stock Exchange, there is a need for continued government support and private sector collaboration. The government has a crucial role to play in creating a favorable regulatory environment that encourages companies to list on the exchange. By implementing policies that promote transparency and good corporate governance, Rwanda can make its stock market more attractive to investors. In conclusion, the Rwanda Stock Exchange is a vital component of Rwanda's financial sector, and its future looks bright. As the country continues to implement reforms to improve its business environment and attract foreign investment, the stock exchange is well positioned to play a central role in driving economic growth and development. With the right support and collaboration between the government, the private sector, and investors, the Rwanda Stock Exchange has the potential to transform the country's economy and make Rwanda the next frontier for economic expansion in Africa. Thank you for watching this episode. If you enjoyed it, please share it with your friends and family. Also, if you haven't subscribed yet, do so and join the growing family of people who love to know more about Africa. Once again, it's me. Be sure to catch up on our other episodes, and I will see you next time. Bye.